This is a parliamentary dictation with speed of 80 words per minute taken from Progressive Shorthand Monthly, April 2025, exercise 22. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. It is necessary that the basic school buildings and staff should be utilized to the fullest possible extent by serving children in the morning, adolescent schools and clubs for young people in the afternoon, and education center for adults in the evening. Our program cannot be completely successful unless the basic schools sponsored by the government are also centers for the life of the entire village community. It will be necessary to provide a fair proportion of games and group activities for the adolescents, as otherwise their interest in instruction is likely to flag. Similarly, in the case of adults, the emphasis will be more on social education than on mere literacy, and this will be imparted through visual, rural and oral methods. The importance of adequate methods of visual and oral education for adolescents and adults need not be stressed. The Government of India intend to encourage the production of folk drama and rural plays by the villagers themselves. Prize for the purpose may be given from time to time, and competitions held between different villages or local units. Films can also play a great part in teaching the lessons of citizenship, social responsibilities, personal health, public hygiene, physical drill, and other matters of immediate benefit to the community. Para. The radio is also a powerful instrument of oral education, and I have under consideration plans for full utilization of both the films and the radio. I need hardly say that all our educational program will ultimately depend upon the proper education of women. If women take to education, more than half of our problems will be solved. Educated mothers will mean children who can be easily made literate. From the point of view of expense and management, it would have been simplest if men and women could be taught through the same agencies. I know, however, that the existing conditions in India will not permit this. At the same time, our finances will not allow a complete duplication of the whole apparatus for teaching men and women separately. I would therefore suggest that for the basic schools, that is for children between the ages of 6 and 11, the situations might be co-educational. For the adolescents, the solution is to set apart certain days in the week for girls and boys. I would suggest that their days in the week may be reserved for girls only. Para, I am grateful to you for the interest you have taken in this exhibition of Indian art and the readiness with which you accepted our invitation to open it, organized by the Ministry of Education. This exhibition is the first of its kind in India. Stop.